The explosives and chemicals maker Orica today released its strongest results in 13 years, thanks to surging demand from the mining sector. Record gold prices meant record sales of sodium cyanide, a chemical used to extract gold from ore. Orica's earnings before interest and tax jumped 23% to around $1 billion, its best since 2012. Revenue was up 6% to around $8 billion. The underlying profit increased 32% to $541 million. The total dividend to shareholders during the year lifted by 10 cents to 57 cents a share. Well, today, Ed Boyd spoke with Orica's Chief Executive Sanjeev Gandhi and just asked him about the political dispute to reach net zero emissions by 2050. He says the deadline should be pushed back to 2060 or maybe even 2070.
My investments have a lifetime of 20, 30, 40, even 50 years. So we are aiming for decarbonisation. I don't think having 2050 as a hard target is a very sensible thing to do because it's a long, long way away. And industries like ours, who are hard to decarbonize, we are depending on technologies that are not yet commercial on the outer edge of this journey. So those technologies have to become commercial, they have to become viable, they have to become feasible, and then we have to deploy them so that we can end with net zero. That may not necessarily happen in 2050. If I look at major economies like China and India, they've taken a more pragmatic approach. So, for example, they're talking about 2060, even 2070. I think that's a bit more realistic now. So having a hard target of 2050, I don't think that's very sensible, but continuing on the journey of decarbonisation is exactly the right thing to do. And Orica will not stop there.
And this morning after that result, Orica shares jumped to their highest level in around 6 years. You can see here, they closed the day up 2.5%, $23.40.